Understanding ultrasonic testing, a key to quality welding projects. Ultrasonic testing utilizes high-frequency sound waves to identify imperfections in welded joints. This non-destructive method is essential for ensuring structural integrity in welding applications. Immediate results are a significant advantage, allowing quick decision-making during inspections. Commonly used in construction and manufacturing, it ensures quality and safety across industries. Consider ultrasonic testing to enhance the reliability of your welding projects and maintain standards. Subscribe for more insights on quality assurance in welding.